The YSRCP government in power right now, in power during the whole Adani Gate allegation that had come in, now has given out a statement as well. Remember that while it is presently TDP, but it was YSRCP, Jagan Mohan Reddy, who's the Chief Minister, when the reference to the bribe charges have come in to government officials. Now, what the YSRCP now says is that they never had a direct link to the Adani Group. They're claiming that the solar deal that was signed with the government body is incorrect allegation that it was Jagan Mohan Reddy's government that received any sort of bribe. Why the state government here of Andhra Pradesh has been dragged in, and I'll bring Apurva Jayachandran for the latest on that, is because the allegation says that government officials were given or at least promised massive amounts of bribe. And I'm talking about millions of dollars here. And that was with regard to a solar power project, to which not only Adani Group has said these are baseless charges, but YSRCP also has come out with the same statement. But remember, now it's up to the TDP also, the incumbent government, about how they could take this ahead. So we've put out the quote. They've said basically when the state government says no direct deal with the Adani Group, it means that it was with the government of the centre and with other government bodies, not necessarily directly with the business group. That's the big news. Remember, this is not just about a domestic political showdown. It's an international concern as well. And because USA has charged, and this is specifically to Gautam Adani, I want to go across to Apurva Jayachandran. Apurva, while Kenya has given out a decision, they've cancelled one of the big deals. USA has charged Gautam Adani with this. How has Andhra Pradesh government and YSRCP got into it? Apurva, if you can hear me. What has YSRCP said? Because among all the states, interestingly, and this is what the BJP has jumped in, that these were opposition ruled states who benefited from the Adani bribe gate allegation, if at all there is.